great experience. I think more people need to do this. More people need to see how like how teachers work and like how they have to come up with this curriculum and how they reach out to students. I think like more teachers should take this course to like really see like how to take care of their more diverse selection of students.
Because I just thought all the professors, what they do, or all the teachers, what they do is just look for a topic. Whereby you have to think about how some people feel about the topic and how other people feel about the topic. I felt it was challenging because I really thought it's something simple like to make a curriculum.
I never really realized how much teachers actually had to put in work to the curriculums and stuff.
When you're presenting something, no matter which career you're doing, no matter social work, no matter mathematics, you have to use a strategy. Everybody should come here and learn. Like, I need to learn how I'm gonna put that news outside. I need to learn how some people are gonna be affected. I need to learn, I need to be prepared about the positive and the negative.
So it was really cool, game changer, for sure.